Hello, my name is Frederick Secrese, and like you, I am an educator. Today, I will be your guide as we take a look at the Common Core State Standards for Mathematics. The video you are about to watch is designed to provide you with an overview of the Common Core State Standards, what they are, who created them, the guiding principles for the development of the standards, and how the standards invite educators to make shifts in instruction from what they have done in the past. As educators, we know that making real changes in the classroom is serious work that takes more than just one video or session to achieve. Careful consideration of the standards and how they will impact what is done in the classroom is a process that takes time. Time to think, ask questions, and determine how best to drive achievement in this new environment. For that reason, we have organized this video into sections that follow the instructional shifts of the standards, addressing each one and offering illustrations and examples. Those shifts are focus, coherence, rigor, deep understanding, fluency, and application. We've also included breaks in the video. During these breaks, you will work with your facilitators to further explore concepts, work through sample problems, and ask questions. Throughout the video, we'll hear from education experts as well as from lead standards writers themselves, and see portions of video taken from sessions that they've participated in all across the country. Our hope is that this video will provide you with information, understanding, and a few helpful suggestions as you begin the process of bringing your new standards into the classroom. Before we begin looking at the standards and what they mean for instruction, it makes sense to first answer two